Hi guys, we've arrived in Pai. It's our first day today. We've had a look at what to do and we're going to go check out some hot springs. So first we're going to try and rent a moped and then drive there.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a really nice day. The weather's been really good since we've been in Chiang Mai.
Hi everyone, we're on our way to Thailand hot springs. We're on a moped. It's only 125cc, so we're hoping it'll get us there. It's quite hilly. See you then.
Oh no. Em's just had to get off because the motorbike wasn't going to get up the hill. We've made it to the hot springs. We've just paid an entry fee of 200 baht each, and the hot springs is just 3 kilometers down this road. We've been stuck with a 125, but it really doesn't feel like a 125 because we've had 125s that have got up bigger hills than that. So
I don't believe it.
Yeah.
But we're here. We made it in one piece.
We're done at the hot spring now, so we're going to go get some phone signal and see what there is else to do around. There is the Thailand equivalent of the Grand Canyon apparently here.
Pai Canyon.
The Pai Canyon. So we're going to see if that's close by, and if it is, we'll head there on the moped.
So we was going to go to the Pai Canyon. It's about a 15-minute moped drive from here, but we've had a bit of a change of plan because, as you can see behind us, and you might be able to hear, it's a storm's brewing and it's really about to thunder. So yeah, we're gonna just have a little ride round, I think, and then until it starts raining. And then we have to take the moped back anyway at 5:30, so it wouldn't really give us enough time to do the canyon anyway. So fingers crossed it doesn't rain tomorrow and we can do that tomorrow, give us something to do. Okay, so we've got up and the dog's started following us and he's taking us somewhere, so we're just going to follow him. Yeah, he was at our hut last night, so then we saw him again today and he loves a cuddle, so he stopped cuddling, but he didn't want to leave us. Sam's food's arrived. Gone for chicken pad thai.
Classic.
I'm not eating here because I'm going to see what street food they've got. So I might have, yesterday we had a curry. I might go back for that, we'll see. Morning everyone. We've got up nice and early today. We've just had breakfast, which is included in the price of the place that we're staying, which is nice. We're going just on our way to the moped place. We're going to rent a moped and then climb up to the Pai Canyon while it's still a little bit cooler. It's only like 9:30, so we'll see you when we get there.
We're at base camp and we're just going to start climbing up the steps. It's not a hard climb, so we should get there in about 20 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
We're at the top now.
taking shade. It's so hot. No, we've bought the umbrella for a bit of shade.
Because we're on top of this hill, obviously there's not going to be a lot of shade, so we actually thought ahead for once.
We bought an umbrella. It helps a little bit, but the view is absolutely amazing.
Oh, so we've just taken a short moped ride to a big Buddha that's just about 6 minutes out from Pai. So this is what it looks like at the base. Then you have to walk up all these steps to get to a Buddha, which we can actually see from the bamboo bridge we crossed to get to our hut.